May I, Your Lordship?
Yes, please.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16, Your Lordship. On behalf of Mr. M. Viswas, Counsel for the
On
petition.
behalf of Mr.
M. Viswas.
M. Biswas.
Yes, Your Lordship. Can it be fixed on 3rd of September, Your Lordship? Because it was supposed to be listed yesterday, Your Lordship, but yesterday the single bench.
Okay. Mr. Senso, Learned Counsel, makes a mention on behalf of Mr. M. Biswas, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and seeks adjournment of the case on 3/9/2024. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
And Your Lordship, there is an interim also, Your Lordship.
Stop. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date.
And Your Lordship, item number 35, Your Lordship.
Yes.
May it be fixed after 2 weeks, Your Lordship. I am for the state respondent.
This for the petitioner
Yes, Your Lordship, I have already taken his consent.
on the prayer of Mr. Senso, the learned government advocate for the state respondents listed after 2 weeks.
And Your Lordship, item number 32, Your Lordship. On behalf of
Yes.
Additional Advocate General, Your Lordship. May it be fixed after 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Additional AG,
Yes, Your Lordship.
Mr. Senso,
I may fix the 23rd month. I for the respondents 4 to 5 minutes.
the third of
23rd of September.
September.
Yes, my lord. Or allegation. For 16.
You're mentioning on behalf of additional AG
Yes, Your Lordship.
on the prayer of Mr. Senso,
Date.
learned counsel for the state respondents
Yes, Your
Stop at 3.
listed after 3 weeks.
But date may fix, my lord, otherwise.
Listed on, give a date,
16
give a date,
16 September, my lord.
listed on, okay, 16/9/2024.
Congratulations.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes, please.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13. I on behalf of C. Modi.
Item
Item 13,
13.
13.
13.
He is out of station, so matter may be adjourned for today.
You're mentioning on behalf of
C. Modi.
C. Modi.
C. Modi.
C. Modi. Mr. Senso, learned counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. C. Modi The learned counsel for the petitioner and seeks adjournment of the case after 2 weeks on the ground that Mr. C. Modi is out of station. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
Lies.
My lord, I would like to mention item number 36. Item number 36. This matter will be taken up after 2 weeks
You are the counsel for the
respondent.
respondent?
Yes.
Yeah, Mr.
I-
Margadi.
Yes, I have
SC
taken consent from the petitioner.
RGU.
Yes.
What is RGU?
Rajiv Gandhi University.
Rajiv Gandhi.
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Tamagadi, the learned standing counsel, RJU, seeks adjournment of the case for 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
May Lordship. I would like to mention item number 27.
Item?
27.
Yes, please. This is with item 26. 26, 27.
27.
26, 27.
No.
27
Only-
is
only-
with 26. 27 is with 26. Ah. Okay. Yes, what is your?
Your Lordship, we were to file an affidavit, but some physical medical urgency.
You are the counsel for the
Uh,
petitioner or?
no, respondent number 3.
Respondent number 3. Have you filed your affidavit in opposition?
Yes. Consent will be taken.
No, have you filed your affidavit in opposition
Position.
on behalf of respondent number 3? Yes, you kindly assist.
Still not filed, my lord. Respondent, private respondent, still not filed, my lord.
He has not filed.
Yes.
So he is seeking time for filing affidavit in opposition. Okay. Your good name?
J. Gao.
J.
Gao.
Your name is not here,
Yes.
correct?
Yes, my lord.
You are mentioning on behalf of,
Respondent number 3.
on behalf of which lawyer?
Not Pada.
N. Pada, okay.
Yes.
Mr. So-and-so. Learned counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. N. Pada, learned counsel for the respondent number 3 and seeks for 2 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
My lord, under interim order may be continued, my lord.
In this case?
Yes.
In 26, 27,
27, my lord.
the interim order passed in WPC 326/2023 shall continue till the next returnable date. Okay.
That's all. Yes.
Your Lordship,
Yes.
yeah, I would like to mention item number 11, Lordship. We have taken consent of the petitioners. We
Yes.
would like it to be fixed on 16th of September.
You are the counsel for the
Respondent number 3.
respondent. Your good name?
S. Dev, Your Lordship.
You,
Yes, Your
you're
Lordship.
mentioning on behalf of somebody.
Yes, Your Lordship. The
Your
lead
name is
counsel
not reflected in the course.
N. Khera.
Oh, you are N. Khera?
No, my senior is N. Khera.
Okay. Your good name?
S. Dev, Your Lordship.
Okay. Mr. S. Did. Learned counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. N. Khera. The learned counsel for the respondent and seeks adjournment of the case on
16th September.
16/9/2024. Listed accordingly.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Well, Lordship,
Yes, please.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8.
8.
Yes, Lordship, on behalf of Mr. Learned Counsel, Mr. D. Pang, Lordship. Learned
Your-
Counsel, Mr. D. Pang is out of station, Lordship. So this matter may be.
Deep Panging.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, Mr. So-and-so. Learned counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. D. Panging, the leading counsel for the petitioner, and seeks adjournment of the case for 2 weeks on the ground that Leading counsel, Mr. D. Panging is out of station. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
Lordship, 17 as well.
1/7.
Yes, Lordship.
Same prayer, same prayer.
Yes,
Okay, same prayer.
obliged, Lordship.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes, please.
I would like to mention item number 23 on behalf of Tabatagum.
Item
Item number 23
23
on behalf of Tabatagum.
on behalf of
Tabatagum.
Tabat Tagum,
Yes, Lordship.
Government Advocate.
Yes, Lordship. We haven't received counter evidence from the department. Therefore, matter may be adjourned after 3 weeks.
You have received?
No, yet to receive.
We have,
For the petitioner.
okay.
You see, receive, I think Malapara was reply, I suppose. He has not received. That's why he said.
Yes, Lord.
Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. Taba Tagum, the learned government advocate, and seeks adjournment of the case for 2 weeks on the ground that the learned government advocate is yet to receive the instructions. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay. Yes.
Yes.
May I, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, this is a contempt petition.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. The present contempt petition has been filed alleging willful disobedience and violation of the order dated 12/8/2024 passed by this court in WPC number 314/2024. Stop. Issue notice to the respondents, returnable after 4 weeks. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 1, 2, and 3 by registered post with AD within a period of,
Your Lordship, justice service may be allowed, Your Lordship.
within a period of,
The 4 weeks. Oh, 1 week steps may be taken.
by registered post with AD as well as by dusty process
Yes.
within a period of 7 days from today. Okay.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Lordship, in item number 2, senior counsel Mr. Rohan Shah will be appearing for the petitioner. He's on his leg before other division bench in Bombay High Court. Will be appearing virtually. We are requesting it to be kept taken up little later, Your Lordship. Kindly keep it back for some time. Obliged.
If time permits, if time permits.
Yes, Your Lordship.
There's if time permits, if time permits.
May I please, Lordship? May I please? Lordship?
Yes, what is this?
My Lord, this is a tender matter. My Lord, this petitioner has participated in, my Lord, the tender issued by the executive engineer, PWD division Longding. My Lord would find the tender NIT in page number 16, my Lord. Page number 16 is the tender, my Lord, the NIT issued by the respondent number 3, my Lord. My Lord, the petitioner has participated in this tender process, my Lord. And on the page 16 is the, my Lord, NIT. For the construction of, my Lord, OCR, my Lord, complex of IV8 Longding. My Lord, find type copy at page 17.
You were recommended,
Yes, my Lord. Thereafter, my Lord, on the basis of, my Lord, the tender, which was evaluated on, my Lord, 12 March 2024, I was recommended for award of the award. But in the meantime, what happened, my lord? Due to my,
By which you were recommended?
my lord,
By which annexure you were recommended?
my lord, that minutes of meeting has not been annexed in this.
Why?
But my lord, letter of acceptance is there, my lord. The issue for your lordship is that, my lord, this letter of acceptance, which is at page 22, my lord. Page 22, my lord. Type copy is at page 23, my lord. This is like letter of acceptance, my lord. My lord, petitioner is NS Enterprises, my lord. Letter of acceptance for work, construction of office cum residential complex at BIP loading under SIB the program. This is the letter of,
This letter of acceptance.
yes, my lord, this is the letter of acceptance, my lord. And my lord, if you, so you also go through this letter of acceptance, my lord, I have been, my lord, directed to furnish the performance guarantee, my lord, within the period of 7 days from date of this issue of this letter of acceptance. This letter of acceptance was issued on 12/6/2024.
You were directed to furnish the performance guarantee when?
My lord, so by this letter only.
By this letter,
Yes, ma'am.
within 28 days.
No, within a period of 7 days from date of issue of this letter. My lord would find this direction on last second paragraph. Last second paragraph, my lord. Yes, ma'am. Thereafter, my lord, what's happened, my lord? The submission of the petitioner is this, my lord. This letter of acceptance, my lord, is not communicated to the petitioner, my lord. Therefore, my lord, here,
This letter of,
yes, my lord.
this letter asking you to furnish the performance guarantee was not furnished to you.
Yes, ma'am, not communicated to me, ma'am. And I have find, my lord, found this letter of acceptance along with this, my lord, letter, which is at page, my lord, 20, my lord.
Then what happened? Not communicated to you.
Yes, not communicated. Thereafter, my lord, page 20, kindly come to page 20, my lord.
20.
Yes, my lord. Type copy is at page 21. This is, my lord, letter written by the executive engineer to the superintendent engineer, my lord, Hunsa Sarkar. By this letter, my lord, they have alleged that the petitioner has not furnished the performance guarantee, my lord, as required by this letter of acceptance, which is at page 23, my lord.
Were you furnished the letter dated 24/6/2024? Were you furnished
This letter has been furnished to me, my lord.
to you?
Yes, 24/6/23. That is
And
after left of,
in this letter, they have
Yes.
also enclosed this 12/6/2024.
yes, my lord. And
It
that
was only then you came to know.
yes, ma'am, thereafter only. On 30/6/2024, my lord, I have come to know that there is letter of acceptance that has been, my lord, issued by the executive engineer, my lord, Punsa division, my lord. But that has not been communicated to me. That is my contention, my lord. Submission report is. Thereafter, my lord,
Yes.
Yes, thereafter, my lord, when this letter dated 26/4/2024 was obtained by me, my lord, on 36/2024, my lord. I went to the office of my lord, executive engineer, respondent number 2, and I have furnished my performance guarantee, my lord. But they have refused to accept my performance guarantee on the ground that, my lord, the incumbent executive engineer, he has been already retired, and they are not an appropriate authority to accept my performance guarantee. Thereafter, my lord, again, on 26/7/2024, my lord, by a written application, my lord, I again approached before the concerned authority, my lord, to accept my performance guarantee, citing the ground that this letter of acceptance has not been communicated to me, my lord. That is at page 24, my lord. This is my letter, my lord.
So what is your prayer?
My prayer is that, my lord, let my letter of acceptance may be, my lord, accepted. Sorry, my performance guarantee may be accepted by the, my lord, that's one number 3, my lord. After condoning, my lord, the delay, which was caused due to, my lord, non-communication of that letter of acceptance, which is not.
Yes, Mr. Tapin, what is the fate of the work?
Madam, it picks on Tuesday, also. I will come with instruction also. Why they are not accepting the performance
I think,
security?
Yes, my lord, that,
Only that aspect also. Why they are not?
yes, why they are not accept, this court also wants to know what is the fate of the work.
What?
yes, my lord.
What's the reason?
There's a long time back.
Yes, my lord.
Tuesday next lawsuit, that's 27.
Wednesday.
Wait, oh, no issue.
Wednesday.
Till
No
then,
issue.
my lord, I may protect them because, my lord, they are going to cancel the tender, my lord, and they are issuing
No,
NIT. Till then, my lord.
Mr. Tapin is here, we will actually accept this.
My lord, may kindly appreciate, my lord. Otherwise, they will, my lord, issue press tender, my lord. And my lord, my lord,
Let
prejudice
him
will
get
cost,
instructions and come.
my lord, prejudice will cost to me, my lord. If they, my lord, but otherwise there will no, my lord. Because, my lord, they are going to issue a press NIT, my lord. That is the problem, my lord. Till then only, my lord.
Lawsuit, only that protection can be given lawsuit, but only if not already cancelled.
If not, only they can.
Or if not already.
Mr.
my lord.
Your good name?
Each lump, my lord. My lord, I have made a specific amendment in my.
No, we are not going into this.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. The present writ petition has been filed. For a direction. Asking the respondent authorities to accept the performance guarantee furnished by the petitioner in terms of the acceptance letter dated 12/6/2024, issued by the executive engineer, Longding, PWD division. Stop. Mr. S. Tapin, the learned senior government advocate, shall obtain necessary instructions as to why the performance guarantee furnished by the petitioner has not been accepted. Listed when, Mr. Tapin? Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Listed again on 28/8/2024. Till then, the tender submitted by the petitioner shall not be cancelled, comma, if not already cancelled, till the next return will be.
No.
All right.
Yes.
Declare.
Yeah, please, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, here I'm seeking for the financial upgradation as non-functional. my lord.
Yes, now you advise this court as to whether this court is competent to take up this matter.
Lordship, actually, Honorable, DSGI, he is suddenly held his,
No. You are in your petition, you are asking for amendment of the rules, whether this court is competent to give you that relief.
No, my lord, yeah, second prayer, that is the second prayer. my lord.
Ah.
Must, first prayer is
I have understood your
financial
case.
upgradations.
You are asking for SAG and HAG. But your second prayer is to amend the rules, whether this court is competent.
No, my lord. Direct the responding authority to consider the for financial upgradation necessary amendment is required. my lord. As per
We cannot allow that prayer on the basis of this petition. Unless it is withdrawn or it is filed before the appropriate forum. You have two prayers. One prayer is to grant you a SAG and HAG. The other prayer is to amend the rules.
that's part maybe strike off, my lord.
No, we cannot strike. You withdraw, you file a fresh petition.
Well,
You withdraw and file a fresh petition. We cannot strike off. Half of your prayer we cannot allow, half of your prayer we cannot just strike off like that.
Otherwise, my lord, at this
You
stage,
withdraw and then you
But-
file a fresh.
then my lord, otherwise, my lord, they have submitted the representations that they'll
No, I am not on represent, no. When your prayer is to amend the rules, one of your prayers is to amend the rules.
That's
Maybe this court will not be competent to pass any order on this petition. You withdraw and then you file a fresh, either before the honorable division bench or modify your prayer and come before this court. You cannot have the cake and eat it too.
yes, that's true, my lord.
So we are not giving any relief.
So then, my lord,
You withdraw.
I will withdraw liberty.
Best
file
thing is to
FS.
withdraw,
Yes.
because I think your petition itself is defective.
Yes. I'll file a press, my lord.
Mr. Spencer, Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that he has instructions to withdraw the writ petition with liberty to file a fresh. Prayer is allowed, writ petition is allowed to be withdrawn with liberty to file fresh. Okay.
All right.
but please, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship has already seen yesterday, my lord, almost ditto, my lord, everything. my lord. And
What is that ditto?
the grounds that have been set for rejection of the tender, my lord. Almost in all the tenders, my lord, the grounds for rejection is same. Your Lordship will find page 116, Lordship, the rejection of the tenders, Lordship. The operative portion is page 117, Lordship.
Yes, I think we have a.
No, my lord, this is completely different case.
No, but
My lord, I'll come to page, annexure for page 119.
The next year four.
Yes, of his writ petition. That is affidavit regarding they have shown that this much employee he have got. But serial number 6, Tachung, Bablu Ray, Semet Talu, their affidavit declaration is not there. Although other remaining affidavit, there is affidavit declaration that he or she is working under this.
Why have you issued the order dated 8/8/2024? Why have you issued that order?
Which order, my lord?
8/8/2024. Page 171.
171.
same yesterday, same.
You yourself has postponed the opening of the financial bid.
No, my lord, that has been now opening of the financial is on. Did you some technical is clearly mentioned? Technical ground, it was hold for some time only. Now a financial bid is already open.
Where is that? You give him also,
Yes.
let him see.
Otherwise, my lord, they will keep this, my lord, for months now, unless.
No, if they have opened a financial bid, then a new cause of action has arisen.
Yes. I will Xerox and get extra copy.
Give me one, let me see whether that financial bid is correct or not.
My lord, this order is not only for this isolated case. For entire package. There are so many packages.
You have awarded the work to MS Tenzing.
Recommend, yes.
Whether MS Tenzing is a party here.
Yes, lord.
Yes, it's party.
What to do?
My lord,
My
if
lord,
this
Order
order,
new cause of action.
My lord, definitely, my lord, we will challenge that one in separate. that
Even
one.
in his-
No, lordship. No,
You cannot challenge this in piecemeal.
no, lordship, if lordship allows me, my lord.
We are not allowing you.
No, I'm just, my lord.
my lord may peruse the writ petition or tools and machinery. Affidavit is itself is not annexed in the writ. My lord,
That is another issue, but that letter on which you are relying, 171, page 71.
Yes, lordship.
this is not for this
This is
particular.
postponement of the technical
No,
financial bid.
Regarding
Now
that,
they have
no,
opened the financial bid.
no notice has been issued to anyone regarding this opening, my lord.
This is not particular this package.
You were not selected, so why notice should be issued to you?
Yes.
My lord, at least this is online, lordship. Everything is found uploaded online, lordship.
I'm sorry, Mr. So-and-so. I am sorry. I think in view of this
Well,
opening of the financial,
I have to at least peruse, my lord, once there, before, my lord.
please give him a copy.
Otherwise, it will be, my lord, I will be prejudicing the petitioner,
Please.
my lord.
Otherwise, his writ petition itself, there is document on which ground we have rejected is not annexed in the writ petition itself.
No. If he allows me, I'm ready to argue everything, my lord, if on merit, my lord. Your lordship has pointed out that I just wanted.
You
to
have
put-
not made any averment on this.
No.
Why should I allow you? You have not made any averment on this.
No, your
Why
lordship,
should I allow you to plead outside your petition?
no, your lordship may kindly say, when I file this writ
Sir,
petition.
you either withdraw or we are not giving you any relief.
No,
We'll issue notice. Afterwards, also the same issue will come up. The same issue will come up afterwards also. So we issue notice.
if he, if I have got this one, I will file a fresh then, man.
You have to.
Yes.
You have to. Only then the court will consider if you have a case or not.
Yes. Yes, I'll do that.
So we issue notice.
Normal. I'll withdraw and file a fresh.
Huh? I think that is the only option left.
Yeah. Even in writ petition, the ground which we have rejected, he have not annexed
No,
here.
regarding this
On
merit,
this
my lord,
ground only also.
I'm
this
not
can
even
be-
arguing on merit, my lord. Otherwise, I've not started, my lord. If my learned friend wants to listen to the, my lord,
Otherwise,
the
it is-
merit of the case, my lord, I've not argued.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel. Submits, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he has instructions to withdraw the writ petition with liberty to file afresh. Prayer is allowed, writ petition is allowed to be withdrawn with liberty to file afresh. Okay.
Next writ petition also, my lord, would be almost same, my lord. If my brother furnishes me the copy of that one, my lord.
Is it same?
Same.
Is
Same.
it same?
The same ground, everything is same, my lord. The clause on which the rejection has been done, everything, my lord, as if my copy pasted.
Before with my
Even
lord,
your this the opening of the financial bid pertains to this case.
This is regarding Nampe Sario to Oriam Bayapate.
So this is covered.
My lord may come to, and he's annexer.
My lord, we are not even going entering to merit, my lord.
This case is not maintainable.
No, whether your that order covers this case also.
Yes.
Yes, order covers.
So why should we go into the merit?
No, my lord, otherwise, he have applied for upload for some other project. Now his petition is for other project.
That
arguing merit, my lord said.
you argue when the new writ petition comes. Same order.
That's why, my lord, I've not even gone through the merit law. Your lordship has made the intention, my lord.
Yes.
Just let him furnish, otherwise he will, my lord.
Yes.
Thank you.
Let there be order, but to give.
Way pass order, same order,
Yes.
same order.
Now, for regarding this financial bids recommendation, I am giving him copy, so this may be recorded.
No, I think we have allowed him to withdraw, so
Yeah.
I think he'll come up with that.
Yes,
plea.
my lord. I'm thankful, my lord. He has helped me, my lord. Otherwise,
He should help.
yes. All right.
Yes, my lord, this matter may be possible for timing, my lord.
Possible for the timing?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, if time permits. Because this court is also not feeling very well today. This is item, ma'am, this is item 9. Okay. Yes,
Your Honor, the state respondent was to file their affidavit in the position. We have not received a copy yet.
affidavit and also file on behalf of respondent number 3, 4, and 5. 3. Status file. It is only the Union of India.
We have not received a copy.
Affidavit in opposition file on behalf of respondent number 3, 4, and 5. But where is that affidavit again? This court has also not received. Oh, it's there. You are the counsel for the petitioner?
Lordship, I on behalf of M. Khator, learned
You are the counsel for the
respondent number 1 and 2, Union of India.
1 and 2. Who is for 3, 4, and 5? State government?
State government.
State.
Public prosecutor, Your Lordship.
Oh, this is public prosecutor?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Oh. This is a writ petition, Mr. Taplin. Kindly advise this court, this is a writ petition and PP will appear.
Lordship, it depends on nature of the prayer made.
Nature, what is that prayer? CBI is there, Director General of Police. So whether whether PP is appearing or yes, additional public prosecutor.
Subsequently, they have taken over.
Yes, madam.
We have already filed, Lordship, affidavit of origin,
Yes,
Lordship.
we are accepting that, but you have not furnished the copy.
Lordship, we have already produced, Lordship. We have served the
You have
copy,
furnished.
Lordship.
You have served the copies.
We have not received any copy.
Lordship, last occasion, Lordship, one other counsel was there, Lordship.
Whether there is anything showing a receipt.
Lordship,
At least from the instruction from my seniors, we have not received. Like the counsels are from Guwahati. I'm representing on behalf of SK Diori, sir. So the counsel is from Guwahati.
So, madam, you be generous to serve.
Lordship, if, Lordship, if. it's
Okay.
there, Lordship.
Your Honor, it may be fixed on 27 for admission hearing.
27
Yes,
September.
27 August.
No, 27 August. What is your prayer? You have still not filed your affidavit?
Lordship, actually, I am appearing on behalf of M. Kato, learned DSJ, and suddenly morning his health is not good, so I was asked to just appear and
Okay,
hear the other respondent.
okay, at least let us give them time. There's no affidavit on the side. MS El Hagi, correct? The learned public prosecutor,
Additional public prosecutor, Lordship.
the learned
Additional public prosecutor.
additional public prosecutor shall serve requisite copies of the affidavit in opposition filed by the state respondents to the learned counsel for the petitioner when?
Lordship, on the course of the day, Lordship, I can.
In the course of the day. Okay. Mr. So-and-so makes a mention on behalf of Mr.
Kato.
M. Kato. The learned counsel, the learned
DSJ.
ASG,
No, DSJ.
the learned DSGI and seeks adjournment of the case on the ground that the learned DSGI is not available in the court today. Where is allowed? Listed after 2 weeks. Okay.
Highly
Very
obliged.
close.
Lordship, in this case, I need some more time, Lordship.
You are for Mr. Tappan?
I'm for the state, Lordship, 1, 2, 3, Lordship.
1, 2, 3.
Yes, Lordship.
And who are the other respondents?
I'm petitioner.
Yeah, you are the petitioner. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay. Okay.
My lord, here already reply, the one they said want to reply in the form of affidavit. I have already obtained through RTI. The same he filed in the form of additional affidavit. I have submitted before the Honorable Court regarding the ALC rules, Auxiliary Labor Corps rules.
No, let the senior government advocate file the affidavit.
No,
Last
so
occasion,
far, Lordship, the affidavit in opposition is concerned, Lordship. We have already filed.
Ah.
Thereafter, they file one IA, Lordship. Additional affidavit they filed.
Okay,
However, they have brought two contradicting, Lordship, the rules, Lordship.
okay,
On the same issue, that's the supervisions of the Lordship ALC,
okay.
Agency Labor Corps, Lordship. One says, Lordship, at the age of 45, other one says at the age of 60, Lordship. Now I have sought instruction from the
Okay, so
government.
you want to file rejoinder affidavit?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay.
So therefore,
Mr. S. Tapin, the learned senior government advocate, is allowed 3 weeks time.
Lordship, 4 weeks time.
Is
Because
allowed,
it has been gone to the Lordship cabinet, Lordship.
is allowed 4 weeks time to file rejoinder affidavit to the IA filed by the petitioner, listed accordingly. Okay.
Lordship.
None appears for the parties, listed after 3 weeks.
Number 14.
Yes.
In this case, affidavit yet to be filed.
Pardon?
Affidavit required, yet to be filed by
You
the.
are set to file affidavit.
My lord, I'm
You are
playing
for the
some
respondent?
too informal.
Two and four, and you are the government advocate.
He's a standing counsel. I'm playing.
You're the government advocate?
Yes.
Okay. Have you filed your affidavit or it will not be necessary? Will it be necessary for you to file your affidavit?
The agriculture department affidavit would be.
No, I am going to record if it is not necessary. Why one day fixed for him? Why one day fixed for you?
Some instructions. I may be granted some time.
Okay. Mr. So-and-so, the learned government advocate for the respondent number
1 and 3.
1 and 3, and Mr. So-and-so, learned standing counsel, Agriculture Department, Agriculture Department. 6 for 3 weeks time to file, to receive instructions and to file affidavit in opposition if so advised. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
Much obliged.
Yes.
Lordship, they have filed counter affidavit
Yes.
and we need some time to file our rejoinder to the counter.
Respondent 1 to 12.
So I'm for,
No, a counter has been filed on behalf of respondent 1 to 12.
yes, Lord.
Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel for the petitioner. 6 for 2 weeks time to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition file on behalf of respondent number 1 to 12. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
Be pleased, your lordship.
Yes.
So in this case, all the respondent have filed their counter affidavit, but I need to file a rejoinder.
You are the culprit.
I'm petitioner. So I may be allowed 2 weeks time for filing affidavit. In the earlier occasions, I took time, but I was
Yes.
due to illness, physical illness, I could not. So I need 2 weeks time, my lord.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, he is allowed 2 weeks time to file affidavit in reply, listed accordingly.
Oh, respondent part of it.
No, listen.
There is
Here,
number.
all of us has filed affidavit. The matter can be fixed for hearing, in usual course.
Whether the status file affidavit,
Yes, Your Lord.
Yes, all of them.
Affidavit.
rejoinder affidavit not filed.
No.
You will not be filing?
No,
We'll record that.
yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he will not be filing rejoinder affidavit to the affidavit in opposition filed by the state respondents. Stop. Since the pleadings are complete, listed for hearing in the usual course.
Yes. Obliged, Lord.
Obliged.
May I plead, your lordship? My lord, this matter relates to land acquisition matter, my lord. And this matter, my lord, respondents, authorities, they have not yet filed affidavit. In fact, as per the order dated 21/5/2024, respondent number 21/5/2024. Matter was listed on that day. And again, it was
5 to 27.
yes.
5 to 27.
7 is private respondent.
What about 28 to 30?
28 to 30, yes.
Union of India. my lord.
Have you filed your affidavit?
Central government.
I don't know, I'm just asked to take time, since his health is not good.
Okay. Well, the governor's file, ma'am.
Yes, Your Lord.
Government has filed, my lord. Only the private
Private respondent 5 to 27.
5 to 27.
Who is for the private respondent?
My lord, last occasion, private respondent appear on behalf of
L. Rakap.
I'll Rakab, yes, my lord.
Where is Mr. L. Rakap?
My lord, I heard his wife is admitted for the delivery.
Oh,
claims, therefore,
I think
Sure.
each one of us have our own problems. So we give them time
Obliged.
to file their affidavit, okay?
Yes.
my lord, at least 4 weeks time.
4 weeks.
Or date may be fixed, my lord, after
Yes.
4 weeks.
The learned counsel for the respondent number 5 to 27, as well as the learned DSGI for respondent number 28 to 30, are allowed 4 weeks' time to file their respective affidavit in opposition. Listed on, when do you want it?
18 September.
Listed on
18 September.
18/9/2022. Okay,
Obliged.
yes.
Item number 21.
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, we have received affidavit in opposition filed by respondent number 2, 3, and 4 and 5.
2, 3, 4, and 5.
Yes, sir.
2, 3, 4, and 5. You are the,
I am representing.
and you are the,
We will not be filing.
you're for respondent number
One.
1. Okay. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay,
Your Lordship, I may allow to file rejoinder.
okay. MS so-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner is allowed 2 weeks' time to file reply affidavit to the affidavit in opposition filed on behalf of the respondent number 2 to 5. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
Maybe, madam.
Yes,
Madam, the land acquisition matter, madam. Final notification was issued on 23/2/2014, and the award was passed on 22/2/2016, madam. And the collector has yet to, madam, disperse the madam compensation, madam.
disperse the compensation.
Yes, madam.
Lordship,
What about 2? What about 2? Who is 2?
Two is the requiring body, madam.
Whether he is a necessary party too.
Necessary party loss.
He is a necessary party.
Deposit the amount loss.
He has deposited
He
the.
has to deposit amount to the deputy. So that I can disburse. the petition.
This
Madam.
2 has not deposited.
Yes.
No, as per my affidavit, lordship has not.
As per their affidavit, madam, they have not deposited. Madam, law is very clear in this aspect, madam. The deputy commissioner, when he takes the madam acquisition, madam, he has to, my lord, first, my lord, collect the, my lord, estimated compensation amount from the company, my lord. Then only, my lord, he can pass the award, my lord. Now, my lord, the deputy commissioner cannot say that, my lord, I have not received the amount from the company, my lord, so I will not pay the award, my lord.
But what will be the case when the deputy commissioner has not received the
Then, my lord,
compensation?
my lord, law says, my lord, it is the, my lord, government of Arunachal Pradesh has to, my
For the
lord,
time being, let us forget about the law. Let us also come to the practical side.
my lord.
If money is not deposited by respondent number 2.
Yes.
From where deputy commissioner will pay the compensation? Mr. Tapin is right. If 2 has not deposited the amount, from where 1 will pay?
And apart from that, if lawsuit come to the page 36 of the read petition,
Uh,
here lawsuit award has been forwarded to the commissioner lane department lawsuit. It's a government lawsuit for necessary approval lawsuit. And the government is just sitting over the issue lawsuit. And lane department lawsuit, they have standing council lawsuit. If they can be implemented as a party here also, then lawsuit.
yes, in order to expedite the payment, I think those on top should also be implemented.
My lord, but my lord, land acquisition process is, my lord, has to be done, my lord, in terms of the act, within the act itself, my lord. Once, my
So,
lord,
If you still want to remain with this status quo, we'll give opportunity to the respondent number 2 to file affidavit
my lord,
and to say as to why the amount has not been deposited to the respondent number 1.
My lord, we have taken, my lord, steps, my lord, but it says, my lord, the note says, my lord, the lock is, my lord, there in the office, my lord, it is closed, my lord, the office. So, my lord, I may allow to take steps through the deputy commissioner, my lord, to the private respondent, my lord, the company, my lord. I have already taken steps, my lord, but it says, my lord, the office was locked, my lord. So could not be served, my lord. So, as because deputy commissioner has taken the acquisition on for the, my lord, requiring body, respondent number 2, I may be allowed to take steps.
Has the land been acquired?
Yes, my lord.
It has been, as per lawsuit, regular lawsuit.
The land has been acquired.
The land has been acquired.
Here, my lord, my case is, my lord, either you pay the compensation or return my land, my lord. Since 2011, my lord, the land is under their occupation. I could not do anything in my land, my lord.
If respondent number 2 comes before this, everything will be clear lawsuit.
Where is 2?
My lord, the office note says that it is locked, my lord. The office door is locked, my lord. So, my lord, I am allowed to take a fresh step through the deputy commissioner, my lord. Because they are in the
For the
contact, my
deputy
lord.
commissioner also, the gate may be locked.
My lord, they can, my lord, do necessary steps, my lord. I will
Yes,
take,
Mr. Tapin.
yeah.
Can the deputy commissioner accept notice?
Lawsuit.
So,
They are lawsuit completely different lawsuit entity from each other lawsuit.
Of course.
And that burden cannot be lawsuit, basically lawsuit. As an assistant lawsuit, that can be burden. But proper
my lord,
lawsuit,
through deputy commissioner will serve the, my lord.
otherwise lawsuit, paper publication is the next
No.
option.
This 2 is not under deputy commissioner.
Yeah.
It's a totally separate entity.
Yes, my lord,
So-
but my lord, for the respondent number 2, the acquisition has been taken, my lord, by the collector, my lord.
That is not disputed lawsuit. Anyway, lawsuit, I think.
He is not a deputy commissioner, my lord. He is a collector, my lord, under the Land Acquisition Act, my lord.
But what is this 2? This 2 seems to be a reputed company.
Yes, reputed company, my lord.
So where they will just leave their the whole office and establishment and vanish like that. They cannot.
They cannot, my lord.
You give a try once more.
My lord.
Hmm.
If my lord not, I will also take steps for the deputy commissioner, my lord. 2 mode of steps, my lord, and fresh register by register post, and also through the deputy commissioner, my lord.
And also Dusty.
Dusty, if it is locked, my lord, I cannot take Dusty, my lord.
This company must have lawsuit some another lawsuit head office like that. Because this is the office of Eternal branch. So it must be having lawsuit because this is a company lawsuit.
That's why, my lord, deputy commissioner will knowing.
No. It's your job. It's not the job of the deputy commissioner to actually trace out all these companies, all their addresses. It is not a job of deputy commissioner. I think deputy commissioner has more important works to do.
That's why, my lord, I am submitting that, my lord. It is the responsibility of the deputy commissioner pay
You
the
have met
compensation.
them as a party. It is your responsible now. You have met this number 2 as a party. And how do you now shift the liability or the burden to a deputy commissioner? Saying that it is for the deputy commissioner to trace out this respondent?
No, I'm not saying that, my lord.
No.
It is the responsibility of the deputy commissioner collector to, my lord, to comply his award, my lord. I am not concerned, my lord, from where the money will come, my lord. But the acquisition has been done by the collector under the act, my lord.
I believe the collector has acquired the land on behalf of respondent number 2. Correct?
Right. Lawsuit, alternative lawsuit option would be lawsuit to go for paper publication.
Is it permissible? Writ petition?
Petition lawsuit can be.
Mr. Leonard Counsel, I think you will also have to trace out the main office. I think this is just a branch office. You will that responsibility lies on you to trace out the main office.
That is another aspect lawsuit, which lawsuit the petitioner needs to lawsuit inquiry. Otherwise, it may be listed next week lawsuit. Till then, lawsuit petitioner may lawsuit inquire about the new address lawsuit.
Okay, before
My
we
my
go-
lord, I will take fresh step, my lord.
Before-
First, my lord, I will take again.
paper
fresh-
publication.
No, fresh step by register post, my lord. I will also try to find out the, my lord, address of the headquarter of the company, my lord.
Mr. So-and-so. The learned counsel for the petitioner. Is allowed to take fresh steps upon the respondent number 2 by registered post with AD within a period of
1 week, my lord.
within a
because-
period of 7 days from today. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall also make an attempt to trace out the main office / headquarter of the respondent number 2. And place the necessary information before this court on the next date fixed. Listed after 3 weeks.
3 weeks, my lord.
Okay.
Yeah, my lordship.
May I plead, your lordship? My lord, this matter, my lord, this is related to, matter is related to Gram Panchayat, selection. In fact, and the defection, my lord. The two, acts are applied in this, we will be, using two law. That is, one is the Panchayat Raj Conduct of Election Rule 2001, and another is that Arunachal Pradesh.
Mister, have you taken steps for service of notice upon respondent number 4, 5, and 6? The office record shows that not yet taken.
Which one, my lord? WPC we have taken, man.
Office note 28/20/24 shows that steps not taken upon respondent number 4, 5, and 6.
My lord, steps.
You kindly, ma'am, you show him this. See the office note in the IA.
My lord, IA, my lord, what happened was that, my lord, after this filing of IA, my lord, they were supposed to conduct selection of chairperson, but then it didn't happen, my lord. So we have not praised that IA, my lord. That's how we could not serve the.
How does 4, 5, and 6 come into the picture?
In fact, we have met 4 and 5 party because they have merged with the BJP.
They are necessary party.
They have merged.
So they should be before this court to answer your allegations.
In fact,
Yes.
my lord, may I just latest development, my lord, what happened that DC has processed.
See, mister, you want to hear this matter without actually the presence of 4, 5, and 6. I think
No, in
it's
fact,
not fair.
in fact, at the beginning, my lord, we were praying for the interim in the main petition, my lord, but the interim was not granted. Now, what has happened, my lord? Gram chairperson is now.
Next steps 4, 5, and 6.
The present status, my lord, the Gram chairperson could not work, my lord. As per the letter, Deputy Commissioner's order is saying that it's.
See, learned counsel, why are you pressing this matter when there is a judicial order for you to take steps upon respondent number 4, 5, and 6? And the office note shows that you have not taken steps.
4, 5.
Why are you pressing?
Yes.
There is a judicial order.
We may allow to take, my lord. But I'm praying that interim in the main petition, my lord.
No interim at this stage.
Then in the IA we will take stay, my lord.
Yes. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the applicant submits that he may be allowed to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 4, 5, and 6. As ordered by this court on 1/8/2024.
My lord, may I pray that we may be allowed to serve through Dusty.
The
So that-
petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 4, 5, and 6 by registered post with AD as well as by Dusty process within a period of
1 week, my lord.
within a period of
Even,
7
even the main petition also, my lord.
within a period of 7 days from today.
Even the main petition was services awaited, my lord. That also we want to serve through the Dusty, my lord.
Listed after 3 weeks.
My lord, date may be given, my lord. May I just give the date, my lord?
In the main writ petition. Service report in respect of respondent number 4, 5, and 6 awaited. Listed after 3 weeks on
My lord, maybe on the 4 September, my lord.
for 9/20/24. Okay.
Of like.
Yes, yes. M. Kato. Yes,
Though, my lord, my name is not reflected, but if allowed,
I know M. Kato,
yes, but if allowed, I can argue this case, my lord.
28, 29.
Yes, my lord.
You are mentioning on behalf of Mr. M. Kato. What is your prayer?
Actually, my lord, this is for impleadment of the present principal secretary, secretary, planning, finance and investment. The earlier alleged contempt number 1 and 2 has been transferred. And the new is being brought up now.
As respondent number?
1. Earlier
No, respondent number 1.
contempt number 1.
Who was the earlier respondent number 1?
Kalin Tang, Sir Kalin Tang.
Ah,
He
what
was
is
the
he?
principal secretary.
Ah.
And contempt number 2 was secretary.
Okay.
Planning, finance and, but now single person is holding both the posts. They both transferred.
Oh, so this principal secretary come secretary finance and planning, this will be the respondent number 3.
Yes. Y.W. Ringo. He may be made alleged contender in place of earlier 2.
Not in place. They continue to remain.
Okay.
Third, Mr. So-and-so. Then counsel for the petitioner. Applicant. The present application has been filed. Seeking for impleadment. Of Srimati Y.W. Ringo, Principal Secretary, Secretary, within bracket Finance and Planning, Government of AP, as the respondent number 3.
My lord,
In-
finance, planning and investment.
Principal Secretary, Finance and Planning. You're writing your Finance and Planning?
Yes, that's it. Might have missed out.
Finance,
Planning and investment.
Finance, Planning and Investment. Government of AP as the respondent number 3 in the contempt petition number 15 AP/2024. Prayer for impleadment is allowed. The application stands disposed.
Applied, yes.
In the contempt case, in view of the order passed in IA 134 AP of 2022, Srimati W.Y. Ringu, Principal Secretary, Secretary, within bracket Finance, Planning and Investment, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, Civil Secretariat, Itanagar, is impleaded as the respondent number 3. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the said respondent, upon the newly impleaded respondent by registered post with AD within a period of
Not say 1 week.
7 days, 7 days from today. Listed after 4 weeks.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship, I'm appearing for the petitioner, Your Lordship. So in this case, we have taken steps upon all the respondents, except respondent number 2 has not filed the affidavit, Your Lordship.
Who is respondent number 2? The others they have filed. The others they have filed.
Others they have filed. Others they have filed, Your Lord. We have
Others they have
received the copy of the affidavit as well, except respondent number 2, Your Lordship.
Mr. Your
So my understanding, Lordship, respondent number 2 is a deputy commissioner, Lordship.
Ah.
As a deputy commissioner, respondent number 1 is already there, Lordship. Therefore, is her
Deputy
affidavit-
Commissioner, Tirap District, Deputy Commissioner. There are 2 Deputy
No,
Commissioner.
one respondent number 2 by name, she has been implemented, Lordship.
Okay.
2 is by name and 1 is Lordship deputy commissioner, Lordship.
Why 2 by name?
Your
Why
Lordship,
2 by
since
name?
this is a case of, Your Lordship, since this is a case of violation of natural justice, Your Lordship, we are alleging violation of natural justice. She has acted in a biased manner, Your Lordship.
Therefore, Lordship, two may
although
not
she
be
is, although she
required,
is,
Lordship.
if that is not required, then that's all right. But then there is a judicial order, Your Lordship, passed by this honorable court, saying that steps has to be taken for service of notice upon respondent number 2. So that is the reason why
There is
we
judicial
have
order,
taken the
but
steps. But then
it is for you whether to proceed against respondent number 2. I think it will be futile since respondent number 1 has been impleaded.
yes,
And one entry already have filed, Lordship, affidavit.
yes, in the capacity of same person, Your Lordship, in the capacity
Yes.
of deputy commissioner, she has filed the affidavit. She has filed the affidavit, but not in the capacity.
Respondent number 2 has filed the affidavit in the capacity of Deputy Commissioner. What more?
Yes, Your Lordship. If that is not required, that is all right, Your Lord.
No, it has to come from you.
Your Lordship, we may be allowed to take fresh steps upon respondent number 2, Your Lordship, so that reply comes
3,
from her
Lordship,
side.
3 already we have filed, Lordship.
If
One
that
entry.
is required, Your Lordship.
No, whether respondent number 2 is required to be made a party will depend on you. Because
Yes, Your
respondent number
Lordship.
2 is already a party
Your Lordship.
as 1.
Yes, Your Lord. That is all right, Your Lordship, since this is a case where there is an allegation of biasness, personal biasness, Your Lordship. This is a case of violation of natural justice, Your Lordship. This is the reason why she has been made as a party in a personal capacity as well as in official capacity, Your Lordship. So we have taken steps as well, but then reply has not come in the capacity of respondent number 2, Your Lordship. Although as number 1, the reply has come, Your Lordship. We have received the copy of the affidavit.
Okay, if you want to prolong the matter, you take steps.
Only thing is that, Lordship, the democratic process has been halted on, Lordship, because interim order is there, Lordship.
Interim order in
No,
favor
Your
of,
Lordship.
Interim is here, Lordship.
in favor of the petitioner.
Petitioner, Lordship.
Your Lordship, against the interim order, an appeal has also been preferred, but then that has been disposed of, saying that this would be a futile exercise and wastage of time, since the matter is pending before the single bench. So therefore, the petition, that writ appeal has been disposed of, Your Lordship, against the interim order, Your Lordship. An appeal was preferred, Your Lordship, but then that has been disposed of on the motion on the first day of hearing itself, Your Lordship, saying that that would be a futile exercise.
That was by the private respondent, Lordship. And therefore, Lordship,
Yes,
honorable
but of
division
course-
bench, Lordship, with observation to expedite the, Lordship, the early disposal of this present writ petition, Lordship.
Yes, Your Lordship. That was
So
that is,
therefore, may
writ
I
appeal
propose,
number
Lordship, subject to what my friend says, Lordship, the respondent two may be strike off and the affidavit filed by the respondent lawsuit. That will be sufficient for to decide the issue raised in the writ petition lawsuit. Subject to what my friend says lawsuit. I propose lawsuit if respondent number 2 can be lawsuit strike off lawsuit.
Whether you have furnished a notice, respondent number 2.
Yes, Your Lordship, we have issued with the notice to respondent number 2 as well. And if this court, honorable court, directs the petitioner to take fresh steps, we are ready to comply with the same, Your Lordship.
Let them take fresh steps. If
lawsuit-
they're still insisting that this matter, this respondent number 2 has to come before.
If not, if acknowledgement has come lawsuit, because I have not gone through the record lawsuit. If acknowledgement has come lawsuit, then lawsuit we can proceed ex parte against the respondent number 2 lawsuit.
That's true, Your Lordship. If the acknowledgement is there, Your Lordship, then-
Press notice can be issued only if acknowledgement has not come before the.
No acknowledgement is there.
Then lawsuit,
No acknowledgement is there.
then lawsuit,
and in that case, we'll take fresh
We
steps, Your
should, we should.
We'll take fresh steps, Your Lordship.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. S. Toppin, the learned government advocate, senior government advocate for the state respondents. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall take fresh steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 by registered post week 80 within a period of
1 week, Your Lordship. 1 week,
7
Your
days
Lordship.
from 7 days from today, and file affidavit to that effect.
Your Lordship, can Dusty be served, Your Lordship? Dusty,
Registered
Dusty notice.
post with AD as well as by Dusty service, and file affidavit to that effect, listed after 3 weeks.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, interim is there, Your Lordship.
The interim order passed earlier
Your
shall
Lordship.
continue till the next return.
Obliged, Your
Okay,
Lordship.
next.
Obliged.
Yes.
Departmental inquiry was, my lord, initiated against.
Yes. 1 and 2.
Petitioner.
Yes, my lord, my friend will argue the matter.
yes, we are ready if subject to
1 and 2.
lawsuit. We have already filed lawsuit.
37. So. 1 and 2 has filed affidavit.
Lawsuit affidavit has been filed for respondent number 3 lawsuit. Already lawsuit.
1 and 2 not required.
And lawsuit not required.
Okay. Are you filing any reply? If not, we'll list it for hearing.
No, on that day, I thought before the court said that it is not required because we are not disputing about the appointment of the inquiry officer. Inquiry officer from the date of appointment of first inquiry officer was appointed on 25/5/2020.
Then, Mr. Mook, what are you impugning? Why are you aggrieved?
My impugning is that here in the case is that I have already attained retirement. On 31st May, I retired.
31st May of which year?
But they try to continue.
31st May of which year? 31st May of which year?
2024.
2024.
2024. And what law says? Law is very clear. That as per Rule 14 of Sub-Rule 24, that if any inquiry is made, it should be completed within 6 months. Then, as per the Supreme Court ruling,
that if the outer limit may be for 1 year. Now from then in that case, we are not concerned about first inquiry officer, second inquiry officer, third inquiry officer, then we are not counting. My counting of the limitation starts from the first appointment of the inquiry officer. So from the first appointment in inquiry officer was 25/5/2022. Then in that case, outer limit as per outer limit of the Supreme Court fixed, issue completed within 2023. So this was in 5. That 1 year they have not completed my inquiry. Then again, they have appointed second inquiry. Second inquiry officer was appointed. It was appointed on 4/9/23. If 6 months is the limitation, in that case, they should complete it in the month of March. That also expired. So now what they want to continue the departmental proceeding, that is beyond the limit. Against the
Whether the inquiry is completed or not?
Huh?
Whether the inquiry is completed?
Not completed. Even as per the last, I'll show you.
Mr. Tapin, you kindly just.
And the delay,
Brief.
the delay is not caused by me. The delay is caused by the department themselves. And at the last,
What is the law which says that inquiry must be completed within such and such time?
inquiry,
Yes, where is that law?
1424.
Is there any law?
1424.
No, is there any law? Which says that inquiry must be completed within the such limited period of time?
14,
Judgment.
Oh.
Law considers
rules also, rule 33, this is para 33, and here is also one rule. And I have quoted para 19 of my writ petition. I have quoted the entirety extra copy, para 19.
This does not lay down any specific time. It only says that it should be completed within a reasonable period of time.
Now, here in the para 19, come to the para 19, rule 14, sub rule 24. Okay. The inquiry authority should conclude the inquiry and submit his report.
Where is that para 19? I don't find it.
Para 19 of the petition. Petition, Your Honor.
No, you were actually relying on this.
No, they para 33.
Para 35.
33.
33, yes.
33 is regarding.
And your affidavit is on the basis of this para 33.
Huh? Para 33, keeping this factor in mind, we are of the considered opinion that every employer, whether state or private, must make sincere endeavor to conclude the.
Now, Mr. Tapin, it appears that it is not the inquiry officer, but actually it is the state which has to answer to this. So the affidavit of the state will be necessary as to why inquiry has not been completed within a reasonable period of time. At least the state should come up with some reasons. Inquiry officer is inquiry officer, that's a different issue.
That's the lawsuit.
Yes.
Here, as per the CCS rules lawsuit, if that is not completed within the 6 months, then it can be extended if ground is a lawsuit. Accordingly, in this present case also, it was extended lawsuit. And in that extended period lawsuit, the inquiry has been even concluded.
The inquiry is completed?
Completed. And that I'll show you how whether it is completed or not. I'll show you.
Now, Mr. Mook, we will list it for hearing. This is only in the admission stage, and then you will not be filing your reply to the affidavit filed by the inquiry officer.
No, this is only low point. it is concerned with the loophole. In the last order, which they have said it, come to the page 57, para 7. Further, the PO informed the IO that the following state witnesses could not attend the proceeding due to reasons as given below. Sri Relly Jimmy, Joint Director, LL, could not.
Okay, we are listening it for hearing. We are listening it for hearing.
Next week was for admission.
Will you file affidavit on behalf of the state?
Lordship, this, the affidavit filed by the Lordship respondent number 3.
He is the inquiry officer only.
3 is Lordship.
I think it will not suffice. Just take care. He is an inquiry officer only who was appointed by the state. And then the allegation is raised against the state. Not a non-completion of inquiry within a reasonable period of time.
Lordship.
As stipulated by law. I think government is a must.
I thought Lordship, this is on behalf of. Anyway.
No, government is a must here. That's why.
Next week, Lordship.
For your affidavit.
It's otherwise ready, Lordship.
Okay.
I only thought, Lordship, it has been filed on behalf of 1 also, Lordship. So
No.
It has been filed only on behalf of 3, Lordship.
3, yes.
Lordship is correct.
And 3 is not the state.
Yes, Lordship is correct. Next week, Lordship. Otherwise, our affidavit on behalf of respondent 1 and 2 is ready, Lordship.
Mr. S. Tapin, the learned government advocate, is allowed 2 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition on behalf of respondent number 1 and 2. Listed accordingly. Okay.
Interim may be my lord, there is interim may be continued.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date. Okay. Yes,
Yes, my lord.
there was some.
Yes, my lord.
There was some. This court had inadvertently overlooked. I think some of the notifications issued by the principal seat.
Yes, my lord.
Your Lordship, I would like to take adjournment in this case today, Your Lordship, on behalf of Additional Senior Government Advocate G. Your Lordship.
We are allowing you because actually this was not supposed to be listed today, but
Yes, Your Lordship.
in view of the new development, we have listed this matter today. Ma'am, where is that 12? I'm sorry, because actually overlooking that notification. I have
My lord. My lord, list the matter next week, my lord. In that case, no. This is pending since 2019, my lord.
This notification is this. This is 2010. This is 2012. This is 2012. Yes. On 19/8/2024. This court had inadvertently passed the order to list the matter. Before the appropriate bench, observing that it was a part-heard matter. However, This court has later on perused the order number 19 dated 23/2/2012 issued by the Registry General, Guwahati High Court. Which provides therein that all part heard matters after expiry of 1 month would stand released from their respective benches, and such matters shall be taken up by any honorable judges as per the roster. Stop. In view of the order dated 23/2/2012, passed by the Registrar General, Guwahati High Court, list this case for hearing after 1 week. Okay. Yes.
Mr. Blind.
Well, petitioner's counsel is not here.
None appears for the petitioner listed after 4 weeks.
No.
Hello. Yes.
This is supposed to be done for BC. Somebody from Mumbai is appearing on BC here.
Please, my lords. Sorry. My lord, am I audible? Can my lord hear me? Sorry. Is my lord able to hear me?
Will issue notice.
My lord, may I only say this? I'm grateful, my lord. My lord, on the identical issue for the earlier period, we have an order of Justice Mehde who has granted a protective order. That
Heard,
order,
Mr.
my
So-and-so?
lord-
Heard, Mr. So-and-so? Yes, I have seen the records. We are actually granting you interim stay.
Yes, my lord. Grateful. And my lord has listed the earlier matter on
Heard,
4th
Mr. So-and-so?
September.
Your good name?
Mr. Rohan Shah, my lord.
So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. The present writ petition has been filed.
Lord, the impugned order is at page 55.
Impugning
My lord, an order of 30th May 2024, which is at page.
Please wait. Impugning the order dated 35/2024. Impugning the order in original number 11/PR:COMMR/ADJ/ST/COMMR/ITA-2024-25 dated 35/2024. KB, please see this page 55. Okay. The said order reads as follows. Here, page 96, Kiwi. Roman C. Roman 1, okay. 2, 3, 4. Roman up to Roman 4. Page 96, 97. Stop. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the order dated 35/2024 has been passed by the respondent number 2 in violation of the provisions of the Finance Act 1994, without the authority of law and exercising excess jurisdiction. Issue notice to the respondents, returnable after 4 weeks. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2 by registered post with AD within a period of
3 days.
within a period of 3 days from today. In the interim, considering the submissions made by the learned counsel for the petitioner and the materials available on record, the order in original number 11/PR:COMMR.COMMR./ADJ/ST/COMMR/ITA/2024-25 dated 35/2024, passed by the Principal Commissioner, GST and CX, Itanagar, Sector A, Naharlagan, shall remain suspended till the next return date. Okay.
Grateful.
Yes.
My lord,
What is your case in short?
My lord, without complying with the PMGS guideline to acquire our land, the government have, in violation of the guidelines, have floated the NIT, trying to forcibly take away our land, my lord.
Where is that NIT? Is it page 29?
28.
Page 28.
29 is the type copy, my lord. 28 is the executive engineer so and so, my lord. This thing is coming on behalf of Governor of Arunachal Pradesh, invites item rate bids in electronic tendering system for construction of road under BVP.
So NIT is 29.
Yes.
Yes.
And then, my lord, kindly come to page 56 straight, the guidelines, which it says.
56.
56, my lord.
56. 56.
6.12, my lord.
6.12,
12, my lord. Page
6.12.
Yes. My lord, it says.
No, just with 6.12. Page 56.
56, my lord.
6.1. I'm not getting that. 6.
My lord, page, kindly come to page.
6.10, 6.11.
6.112.
6.12.
6.1.
6.12, my lord.
12.
Page 56. Please help, my lord.
12.
Page 56.
Six point one. Page 56.
6.1 is not here.
6 point. I think just have a look.
Yes.
Just have a look.
I'm down with the fever for last 10 days.
Oh.
6.12. This is the one second. I'll not do that.
Is it there?
Yes.
Yes. Well, I'll read out for convenience of my lord. It will be
What is this? What is this?
Yeah.
6.12.
Yes.
6.12.
6.12.
What is this in fact? What is this?
This is the guidelines.
No, guideline of what?
Guidelines of Prime Minister PMGSY.
What is the first page? Let me see.
Page It starts from second main case. Forty-nine onwards, annexures.
Page. PMJSY scheme and guidelines.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Yes.
just wait, okay. And you are referring to
6.12 and 6.13,
6.12
and 6.13.
6.13.
Right,
This is in page 56.
right.
Okay.
Now, my lord, kindly see page 31 to 34.
No, you are reading page 56.
No, my lord. Now that I'm relying to that particular thing, or if my lord wants me to read, I can read.
Then page.
Now, my lord will kindly come to page 31 and 31 to 43. This is our representations to them.
31.
Yes, my lord. Dated 12/8/2024. My lord, I have described bit in the paragraph 7 of my read petition, my lord.
This is your representation dated
12/8/2024, my lord. And our representation has not yet been disposed of, my lord.
Yes, what is the ground?
The grievances is that, my lord, under the PMJS scheme, my lord, although there is no guideline to acquire the land, but the state government, in terms of 6.12 and 6.13, my lord, the state government should modulate to acquire the land, my lord. So then, in the meantime, my lord, the most important communication in this letter is at page 48, my lord. Page 48, my lord, 28 March 2024. It says, Superintending Engineer, Rural Works, Circle, Pasigat, Itanagar, 0 Rupa, Meo, Bam, Arunachal Pradesh, Executive Engineer. Here, my lord, Chang Tajo is there in the next pair. The vibrant blend. Enclosed, please find here with the representation letter received from all Arunachal Pradesh Vibrant Village Affected People's Forum, Itanagar, regarding non-adherence to SOP.
Yes, page 31 is that representation?
Yes. SOP of PMGS guideline issued by. Therefore, you are
Just
requested
wait, just wait. This page 31 is referred in this
page 48.
is referred in this page 48.
48, yes. May kindly come to the last paragraph.
Just wait, just wait.
Huh.
Page 48. This is later written by
Chief Engineer to all the executive engineers. It says, enclosed, please find here with the representation dated received from all Arunachal Pradesh Vibrant Village Affected Peoples Forum Itanagar regarding non-adherence of SOP of PMGSY guidelines issued by MORD for implementing the road project under Vibrant Village programs. Therefore, you are requested to withhold tendering till process of land acquisition ETC is finalized, my lord. Then, my lord, again at page 44, my lord.
44,
my lord. Annexure 4. Here the secretary writes. Secretary RWD writes to the page 44 dated 19/10/2023, my lord. Well, it says acquisition of road land white row for the road project proposed under Vibrant Blaze programs, my lord. So there the secretary says, well, important paragraph is at para 2, my lord. I read this if my lord permits me. Yes. The land being a state matter, it is responsibility of the state government to oversee that lands are available for taking up the proposed road works. The process of making land available for the road work should be just, equitable, and serve the common good. The details of the land made available should be reflected in the local land records to prevent dispute. It must be noted that the central government does not provide funds for the land acquisition under PMGSY. On the other hand, due to resource constraint, the state government may also be unable to cover this cost. To address the issue of land acquisition, it has been suggested to explore mechanism for voluntary land donation signing of MOU. Such voluntary donations should be documented through affidavit, copy of which shall be forwarded to the local revenue officials for making necessary changes in the ownership possession record of the land. The use of voluntary donations and proper documentations is intended to streamline the process and avoid disputes involving the local community in decision-making process, foster a sense of ownership, and ensures that the road project aligns with the community needs and priority. It also helps in identifying potential challenges and solutions. But then what had happened, next paragraph also is very important. I'll not read. The process for land donation drive requires organizing a transact walk by the.
What is this transact walk?
The technical word will I
What is
also
this
don't.
transact walk? My lord, they have to go through the alignment and they have to walk. Identify, yes. Identify whether this land belongs to some particular person or is community land.
Organizing a transact.
Yes, I think then, my lord, one of the petitioner, my lord. Then one of the petitioner in this, my lord, at page 71, my lord, annexure 8.
So, Mr. Forget all this. What is your grievances? Tell me.
My grievances is, my lord, this Justice Ete has dealt with this similarly situated matter, my lord.
Okay.
So the fact is also same, my lord, except the blaze.
Except
Except the blaze and the package number, my lord. So my lord will come at page, that order is at, my lord, it starts from page.
And the matter dealt by Justice Ete is for a different NIT.
Same.
Same NIT.
No, different NIT, but of the
On the same stretch.
Same scheme.
Of the same scheme. Okay, let us see
Yeah, the
that.
blaze are different. My lord will kindly come to. First, Lordship Marley has granted interim. Page, my lord, it starts.
No, 106.
Yes.
Well, what is that? This is
Dealing with all 94, my lord.
page 94.
94. Prior to that, my lord, Lordship Marley has also granted interim order 91.
So what is 94? Is it the final order?
94 is the final order.
Okay, let us see the final order.
Yes. Here, I was also one of the counsel.
Okay.
The case, para 4 kindly come. Para 3 is important, my lord. By instituting these writ petitions, page 118, my lord.
Para 3.
Para 3, my lord. By instituting these writ petitions, the petitioners have put to challenge the impugned tender, e-procurement press notice dated so and so, issued by the executive engineer, the PIU, lying Yangte division, Ada, RWD Kurumkume district.
Okay. What is the operative?
Yes. Operative portion, my lord, is at page 11, right? Page 129 is the operative portion, my lord.
Yes.
Para 29. In view of the discussions made here in above, I am of the considered view that the present writ petitions can be disposed of with the directions to the petitioners to file a fresh representation by placing their grievances before appropriate authority and the respondent authority needs to consider appropriately. Accordingly, the petitioners are directed to file representation before the Secretary, RWD, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, within a period of 15 days from today. On receipt of the representation, the Secretary, RWD, shall consider and dispose of the representation, taking into consideration the mandates provided under the PMGSS scheme and guidelines. The exercise directed to be carried out shall be completed not later than a month from the date of receipt of the representation. It is provided that till the disposal of the representation, the impugned tender e-procurement press notice that issued by Executive Engineer lying NK shall remain state. Say similar order, my lord. I'll also request the standing council to that aspect only, 15 days.
But at this stage, my lord, how does the petitioners come into the picture?
My
Who are the petitioners?
Petitioners are the landowners, my lord.
They're the landowners.
They are the landowner. Without their consent, they have plotted this tender.
My lord,
My lord, we are not concerned with we don't want to install the project also. This is a development project. We want the road as well. But the guidelines, my lord, it has clearly provided 6.1.2, my lord, 6.12 of the PMGSA guideline and 1.13. But at least
what it provides?
It provides that you must take our consent.
You let us see 1612, 613.
Yes.
Page 56. Let us see.
Yes, ma'am.
my lord, my friend, let this matter be listed tomorrow. Since same division, already two set of writ petition was already there.
And there is a stay on.
Then first writ petition, more than 20 petitioners came. They withdraw the writ petition. Then second writ petition was disposed with direction to dispose the petitioner's representation.
This just as it is.
This is other case, and that is an WPC 272 of 2024. That is same division.
Okay.
Chiang Tajo division. Okay. More than there are almost 7 writ petition regarding this non-following of the procedures guidelines.
The PMGS.
PMGS.
Just interruption. Just let us see that 6112. Let us see where actually the permission has to be taken from the landowners. Let us see. Just read.
It will be the responsibility of the state government district panchayat to ensure that lands are available for taking up the proposed road works. A certificate that land is available must accompany the proposal for each work. It must be noted that PMGSY guideline does not provide funds for land acquisition. This does not, however, mean that acquisition cannot be done by the state government at its own cost. The state government may also lay down guidelines for voluntary donation or exchange other mechanism to ensure availability of land. The process of making land available for the road work should be subserve the common good and also be just equitable. The details of land made available should be reflected in the local land records to avoid dispute. Here it says government must endure. We are saying, Milord, you cannot take
nothing is reflected regarding permission.
No, that's why, Milord, there here, this particular page it says, Milord. Page 48, which my lord have already recorded.
Letter written by
the chief engineer to executive engineers.
Okay. 48.
48.
Employers have find the representation from all for implementing. There you are requested to withhold. No, this also does not speak about anything about the
no
permission from the landowners.
Yeah, yes, my lord. But then it says.
My lord, page 62 of his writ petition. GPC of that area, he have signed under agreement with the executive engineer.
My lord, GPC.
Mr. Tara.
My lord.
This project is undertaken for the common good, for the welfare of the people of that area.
My lord,
why actually try to?
No, my lord, I respectfully.
We should all, in fact, encourage such a development.
I respectfully have made a submission before, my lord, that it will not serve the purpose if we oppose the project. But what we are concerned is, we don't want to install the project as well. We want the project, but we want the government to take consent from us at least, because customary rights over the land and water, my lord. Therefore, my lord, kindly see-
Does it mean that if consent is to be obtained from you,
my lord,
you are going
no,
to demand land compensation?
my lord,
Just answer me.
my lord.
Does it mean that if the consent has to be taken from the landowners, the landowners will be demanding compensation? In which case it will not be possible for the state to acquire the land.
No, my lord, what I am submitting is, at least if the guidelines, if the law provides you to do things in a particular manner, you please do it.
No, it's all right.
You cannot go beyond the guidelines, my lord. They can have this consultation with us.
No, but
We-
why you are emphasizing so much on the permission to be taken from the landowners when actually it is for the good of the landowners, for the
Correct.
good of the village?
No, correct, my lord. It is for the reasons, kindly come to page 71. There is an LPC. One petitioner has a land possession of 10,000 square meters, and by that stretch, the land goes, my lord, the road goes.
That we don't know whether it's.
So the exception is one.
No, well, kindly 71. There's land possession certificate. My lord, in any case, I am not praying.
So indirectly, actually, these petitioners are coming before this court seeking for compensation. That is the only answer I get.
No, my lord, that may not be. In our society, my lord, especially.
Maybe they have not
No, no.
get the work.
My lord, in our society, we are very clear. We don't oppose to the project, but then you must respect the community sentiment.
Of
You are
course,
doing-
of course,
You are
of
doing the
course.
project, but please have a consultation with us. The Gram chairperson who has executed a MOU, my lord, has not been authorized by us.
He's the representative of that village.
No,
No, but Mr. Standing Counsel,
Well,
see, I think if the submission made by learned counsel for the petitioner is only confined to that, at least take note of our sentiments. At least have a consultation with us before acquiring our land. If that is the limited ground, I think what is the difficulty for the government to actually explore that option?
no, for that we are not objecting, since their representation is pending with the secretary. Let the secretary, then let them place the grievances before the secretary. Without staying the procedure, since the procedure already on.
No, that simply, my lord, till disposal.
My lord, as per my experience, all this works, the PMJS works. Village people, they used to give donation. So the GPC being the members of the representative.
GPC means?
Gram chairperson.
Gram chairperson. Oh.
He being the representative of that village. He represent the village.
I don't know whether
Yeah.
actually we have
Yeah.
the same system.
Yeah.
My lord
But,
has a village council system.
but yes, we have village council, and these days there are many dispute because actually, as per the law, village council, the chairman village council is authorized to execute works on behalf of the village. He is authorized. But now, with the development going on,
Yes.
there are so much of this development for 4-lane, 2-lane, everywhere, interior and all this. Now, the village council chairman, he has signed, stating that, yes, we give our land for the development of this village within the stretch. But now individual landowners, they are actually repeatedly filing numerous cases.
Yes.
So I don't know whether the system is same, but out there also, these things are happening. And for us, I don't know, what is your protection? For us, we are, the state of Nagaland is protected by 371A.
We are not.
Land and its ownership
No,
lies with the people.
No, we are not
Yeah,
protected.
here also
Except,
with
my
the
lord,
people, but community land.
Except, my lord, that Article 341 and N320 of the 6th schedule, we are bit protected. Otherwise, we don't enjoy the special status like Naga.
So I think the demand raised by the petitioner through Mr. Titi Thara, Learned Council, I think if it is limited to that,
My lord,
let us stay the NIT and then you negotiate, come, finish.
no, NIT already, technical, financial already open my.
No, what
Some
has
of
not
the
been awarded.
package which matter was listed in 4 and 5. Same division.
State, there is a
Same,
state.
no, same division. No.
No, there's no, I think 4 and 5, no stay.
No,
I think it was withdrawn.
same division.
No,
yes.
my lord, my respectful submission is only our sentiment has been heard and you are violating Article 300A. You cannot do this.
No,
At
for
least,
that,
my lord,
Whether you have actually opened a technical and financial bid. Whether you have opened a technical and financial bid.
I'm sure.
technical bid has been opened.
For that,
They have-
let it-
financial also.
Financial, I don't know, my lord.
Yes, he has produced the record.
same division.
So if that is the case, then again, yours is also, I think, a new cause of action has arisen.
My lord, this matter may
No.
then listed
My
tomorrow.
lord, only my limited prayer is nothing is going to happen to them. We are not against the world. Only thing is that we will have a community meeting. Again, we'll give them NOC, you construct the road. But only thing is that, please, for time being, my lord, at least you need to respect the community, you need to respect the citizen. And for the welfare of citizens only you are executing this project, my lord. So therefore, my lord, only, my lord, 7 days time may be given to me. Within 7 days, and the secretary will dispose of the representation within 15 days, my lord. Only for this period, once it is resolved, we'll give them the NOC that you award the work to anybody.
Yes.
We are not against that.
You take instructions and come tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Okay, let him take instructions. Let us see. We don't want to prejudice either this way or that way.
Yeah.
So you take instructions and come
Normally,
tomorrow.
all the Kalba manual work will be executed by the villager itself. But
I think that is your modus operandi.
yes, modus operandi. Main contractor will be the one in all.
No, my lord, that it may not be.
And you can also have a very friendly discussion amongst you, so that actually we don't go deep into the
Yes.
case.
It's happened, my lord, like that only.
Yes, okay.
Work will-
So list it again tomorrow. List it again tomorrow. The Learned Standing Council,
RWD.
Standing Council of which department?
RWD.
RWD.
Yes.
Shall seek further instructions. Then come. Okay. We will hear it tomorrow again.
Correct.
Okay.